We've really doubled down this year with iGel as we've looked at the overall end user compute market and looked at the overall cloud connected market. We've really seen a need for security, manageability, and improving end user experience. And iGel's really become our key go-to-market partner for that entire environment. It's helped that we not only have the relationship on the hardware certification through the iGel Ready program, we're also preloading the iGel software on our hardware and selling the licenses and services associated with that. So it truly is a one-stop solution shop with Lenovo and iGel. We have been innovating in technology for more than 40 years. And as we look at where the market is going, as the market evolves towards concepts of device enablement, improving the concept of the personal digital wardrobe, the devices that a person uses, the technologies a person uses, having a partner that is technically advanced and providing investment in innovation is critical. 1 in every 5 employees that Lenovo has is in the research and development arm. So we are constantly improving, reinventing, and innovating on the products. Now you take that and you merge that with iGel, now you have a company that is growing, that is moving quickly, that is investing in what's next. While we're here at Disrupt, we've made 2 really important announcements in partnership with iGel. The first announcement that we've made is around our investment in AI technology and the NPU on the endpoint. Where's AI going? We've all had AI in the cloud and the concept of connecting to it. We're now seeing AI come to the device with the introduction of the NPU and the NPU schema across the world. What we've committed to in partnership with iGel is enabling that second tier of AI enablement on Lenovo hardware by iGel as an OS and exposing that capability to the apps running on iGel. Being first to market with the AI-powered EUC device, I think is going to be a game changer. The second announcement we made with iGel was around our Azure Stack hyperconverged infrastructure running AVD, offered in an entire reference architecture from desktop to data center. At the desktop, Lenovo hardware running iGel. In the data center, our hyperconverged infrastructure on Think Agile, running the entire Azure Stack and AVD. In 2024, there are a couple of technology trends that I think are really important that people be aware of and are focusing on. The first is security. The threat landscape is becoming more aggressive. We're seeing a change from just social engineering attacks and your emails attacks to really application layer attacks. The vectors of attack have become far more diverse and the attackers are becoming far more aggressive. So in the end user compute space, we're looking at, okay, we already have security at the network, but we really need to make sure those end user devices are secure. And that is becoming far more challenging as employees, as users of the end user compute environment are demanding more capability, which is really part of the second trend. The concept of the digital employee experience, that workspace experience, is now starting to matter much more. Before COVID, we had a certain level of expectation about our workplace and our workspace environments. As we went through the whole pandemic experience, our empowerment as employees to, I'm going to work where I need to work, not just in one desk and one chair, but anywhere I need to go to work. I now have seen different opportunities, different expectations have been created about what my workspace is going to be. So as employees, we are saying we need more opportunities, we need more features, we need more benefits, etc. in our environment. That's creating more expectation back on IT, and IT is still saying we still have to secure it, and the more we add, the more opportunities and vectors of threat we have. Partnering with a company like Lenovo, where you have a secure infrastructure from component to all the way through manufacturing, secure supply chain, and then throwing a secure read-only OS on the device so that you truly have a secure endpoint, now you're addressing that. And if you're using a really quality device like our ThinkPad L14 from AMD or from Intel, adding to that the iGel OS and running OS 12, you have a really great employee experience in a mobile environment. Being awarded iGel's iGel Ready Partner of the Year award really is a statement to the market that says iGel and Lenovo are jointly committed to what's next in the end user compute environment. You take Lenovo, the #1 PC manufacturer in the world, you throw on what I consider to be the #1 end user compute operating system in the world on the devices, and you have a really unstoppable partnership. What I like most about working with iGel is the people. Honestly, the people at iGel are fantastic. We have from our local our alliance partners that ensure that iGel and Lenovo have good communication, good collaboration, to the community that's creating all of the education, empowering our engineering team, empowering our pre-sale and post-sale support organizations to really be experts in the field. We have had a lot of recent customers who are looking at the end user compute market, looking at how Lenovo and iGel really solve their problem. A great example would be users that are on one brand's thin client environment who can no longer update or use those devices are now seeing an opportunity to start with iGel, install iGel on their old devices, and then recognizing that Lenovo's the correct partner for their next generation of products. We've got a couple of partners who have already, customers that have already done that. One is a very large hospital system that has acquired the licenses to iGel from Lenovo, and now we're currently working on their 3-year hardware roadmap for refreshing that hardware. Another approach to that we've seen with a few customers is as they are trying to understand the next generation of their digital workspace environment. They were on-prem, they went to full virtualization during the pandemic, and now they're trying to figure out what is the right hybrid model. Lenovo and iGel are partnering to help bring forward organizations that are trying to understand those digital workspaces. Lenovo participates in over 400 events annually. All these events are great events, and they're really focused on, we focus in 3 pillars. The first pillar is announcements and technology relevance. The second pillar is on industry or specific goals to reach customers and present our solutions in industry. And the third is all about collaboration and maintaining the relationships within an industry. Disrupt falls into that category. We attend Disrupt because we're able to maintain the close collaboration with the other participants. You know, one of the amazing values of iGel is the iGel Ready program. The iGel Ready program brings together hardware, software, accessories, components, all of the elements that become part of the overall digital employee experience and part of the digital wardrobe of the user. iGel and Lenovo are truly a best-in-class solution for the end-user compute market. But more than that, iGel and Lenovo combined represent well over 90,000 employees worldwide working towards a set of solutions in a collaborative way that can truly deliver a desktop to data center experience. And that is unique.